Ito yung pangarap ni Yorme para sa mga batang Maynila. Isa siyang alumnus dito sa school na sinabi niya nung groundbreaking na gusto niya yung mga children ay maka-experience ng modern facilities dito sa public school. Gusto ni Yorme yung mga anak nyo ay ma-experience din kung ano yung na-experience ng kanyang anak. Itong magkaroon ng state-of-the-art modern facilities dito lang yan sa public school. So, napakaswerte ng mga estudyante dito. Ito ay merong auditorium, gymnasium, canteen, library, basketball court, pwede siya ma-convert into football field, at itong dalawang roof deck outdoor sports and exercise area. So meron din itong mahigit 8 elevator units at 7 stairs. Nagsimula itong Rosauro Almario Elementary School noong 1947 pa. Isa lang siyang annex of Isabelo de los Reyes Elementary School, kung saan meron na itong dalawang classroom, a morning session para sa grade 1 students at afternoon naman para sa mga grade 2 students. Pero ngayon, tingnan mo naman, di ba? Level up na. Talagang napakaganda ng school na to. A modern public schools. Dito po yung matatagpuan sa Tondo, Manila, one of the dense district area. Magandang umaga, nandito na tayo sa Zaragoza Street. Ito po yung sa Manila. At ito nakikita nyo kabayan, ito po yung Rosario Elementary School. Yan, ito yung modern facilities dito sa kanyang public school. Pangarap ni Yorme kabayan na magkaroon na maranasan din ng mga taga Manila yung modern facilities dito yan sa public school. Napakaganda nitong elementary school. Ito yung likod nyo, yan yung arte, no?
Choir was featured and guested in international choir festivals such as the 12th Cantumus International Choral Festival and conducting master course in Hungary. She is a professor at the USD Conservatory of Music and president of the Treble Choir Association of the Philippines. Recognized with the Ani ng Dangal. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome our second judge, Dr. Maria Teresa Visconde Rosa. And last but not the least, our third judge is an international...
Kayong tinatanggap, lalo na ang ating Regional Director and concurrent Assistant Secretary for Operation, DepEd Central Office, Dr. Jocelyn D.R. Andaya. Talagang naggaya. But I'm happy to receive you in one of our goal, showcasing our goal with regard to building public school in a highly urbanized setting. This is an aspiration of mine when I was young. I'm a product of this institution. Dito ako graduate. Ako full-blooded. Talaga, literal. Product of public education system. Elementary, high school, gusto ko lang ipaalala sa inyo, baka nakalimutan nyo na. Ewan ko kung may graduate sa inyo ng Tulungan Center. mas alam na daycare ngayon. But nung araw, bago ka pumasok sa primary, may early education system. Dito sa kabila, yung nakikita niyong Gat Andres Bonifacio Hospital. Is a former Tulungan Center. At alam ko, yung iba sa inyo dito, tumira din ng Nutriban. Batang Clean, shoutout kami dyan eh. Lahat kami. As a matter of sharing, why did we build like this? Because to some individuals, say, sobra-sobra naman yung pinagawa. Kanina, si Assistant Regional Director at saka si Assistant Secretary had told them, sabi ko, ma'am, in a highly urbanized setting like Metro Manila, as we speak right now here in Almario, having this event, may batang ipinanganganak. That is a guarantee. At the same time, habang may pinanganganak, wala namang ipinanganganak na lupa. So demand will always catch up. Because that boy or girl, 7 years from now, will occupy a space in our public institution. And this is a type of facility that we build that would address, continue to address and confront ahead of time to achieve the universally accepted student-teacher ratio in a classroom. Kasi kami nung araw, although dekada 80 yun, shout out sa mga batang 80s dyan, kami nung araw, isang teacher, inabot ko, pinakamarami kami, 50 kami sa isang classroom. Imagine mo 50 makukulit. Imagine mo nasiksikan kayo sa isang classroom. So, sabi ko, nung ako'y nabigyan ng pagkakataon ang mga tagalungsod ng Maynila na maging alkalde, yung una kong termino, ang pinangarap ko na kung ano ang natikman ng anak ko, dapat matikman ng anak niyo. Mapalad ang mga anak ko, pinagpala na sila eh. Hindi nila naranasan yung naranasan ko bilang salat sa buhay. Sa awa ng Diyos, nakaangat ako, minabuti ko silang papag-aralin sa pribadong paralan. At napakaganda ng eskwela nila. Xavier School. Pagka tinitingnan ko, talaga naman, Diyos ko, ang pasilidad, and so on and so on. Sabi ko, this I will build. And here we are today, conducting an event, we'd like to showcase to the entire country, particularly 200 plus highly urbanized city. This may be an inspiration to others to build this way, to build for the future, not for the present alone. Because the tendency of us, including me, gumagawa lang kami pag may problema na. Diba, typical na gawain. Pero hindi. We can build to confront future needs, preparing our public education system to be at par, if not, sa totoo po, modesty aside, mas maganda pa po ito sa ibang private school.